Is your roof leaking or showing signs of water damage from a recent storm? If so, your roof needs immediate attention to prevent any further water damage to your home or belongings. More damage means more money out of your pocket, so don't put it off. And don't settle for fly-by-night roofing companies. Most of the time, they'll make mistakes that will end up costing you more money in the long run. You need an experienced, reliable, and fully insured local roofer assess the status of your roof and provide you with a proper written estimate for repairs. We deliver prompt, expert, affordable roofing solutions engineered to fit your building and your budget. Top quality materials and services don't have to come with high prices. From installation to repair and replacement, we take each project with care and with a focus of open communication and getting the job done right the first time. We offer no obligation, free estimates, and inspections. We're the experienced, reliable, licensed, and fully insured local roofer that you need. Get quality service from a roofing contractor you can trust. Give us a call now to have us come take a look at your roof today.